I am timing my 1983 VT500c Shadow, and just kind of concerned about the camshaft timing. For the front head, I didn't take it off. I know it's right spot on, but I didn't know if I was timing it correctly to the rear cylinder because there's a specific way we want these to fire. So the instructions that I found said, first of all, you install the cam with the lobes down on FT, front cylinder, put the top bolt in, rotate the crankshaft one full turn, put the other bolt in, and then tighten it up, and then give it another one full turn and tighten the other one up. So at that, when you finish that, you've done 2 full revolutions of the crankshaft, and you're back to where you started on the front cylinder. Then the next step, it says, is to rotate the crankshaft 232 degrees to the RT position. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, which is not quite one full turn. A little ways to go. Okay, I'm seeing my marks. And a little bit more. Okay, we are set on RT, which is for rear time. You can see that down in there. There we go. RT. And got these little hash marks. See one right there and one right there. And they should be even with the machine surface of your head. You can almost see that there. That bolt's kind of in the way, but yeah, you can see that it is mighty damn close to even with the surface. The lobes are pointing down. That means we're on number 2 cylinder TDC. Everything's timed. I just want to verify if anybody have done this before. Am I doing this right? From what I can tell, everything looks like it's set up. I did have to redo my head timing because it didn't follow that procedure. I just kind of put it on RT, threw the cam in, made sure it was lobes down. Well, I wasn't in time with the front cylinder, so I took the front valve cover off, verified the position of that, and then verified the position of the rear head, camshaft, and rear time. So I think it's all done and ready to go back together.